Guys, this is going to be a pretty big update and a trial for EOS crew. This is a new character I've got. Pretty cool mustache, stencil. My squirrel type character. Just a different version of him. Ghost. A hat guy. Another ghost, bigger eyes. This is one of the mustache guy. I really like this one. I'll probably keep doing them. That thing. Mustache with EOS on this mustache. I mean, my handwriting ain't too good, but I just like drawing characters. Strange screaming forearm thing. The little guy that I got eating his own hand. A moose character, deer thing. Hat with spray paint background. Normal one. Thing. Firearms. Firearms, 2 mouths. Cut in half thing. One on a priority mail. Whatever that is. Rhino thing saying what the fuck. 2 arms. Little guy getting eaten. Screaming thing. A really tiny one. It's not coming up too well on the camera, but that's one of them little squirrel ones. This is on loads of different spray paint backgrounds all stuck together. That's throwy. Like I said, I'm not too good at handwriting, so please don't hate. That's a print. And one. Use pencil on this one. We're going getting eaten. Ghost. Mustache with the EOS in it. And big squirrel thing. Oh, little really tiny one. Hat guy. And these are some of the stencils I do. Gas mask. I've got loads of these saber-toothed tiger skulls. Loads of different colours, black and yellow, blue and yellow, red and turquoise. That's chrome and blue. Same again, and that one was orange and chrome. They look alright. And then these are things that I put in packs to every person. A little spud card. And these are some things that I've just done recently. Like what you get out of photo booth with a spray painted background. So yeah, comment or PM me if you want to trade. Peace.